You tap Send on a crucial payment, and instantly the app locks up. The screen freezes, leaving you uncertain if your money actually moved. By the end of this sequence, we will guide you through a precise escalation path to restore your application to full, stable functionality. Before we alter any settings, you need to gather 3 specific items: your physical device, an alternate internet connection, and your verified login password. Having your exact credentials secured right now ensures you will not trigger an automated, permanent account lockout when we initiate the deeper reset phases later on. Step 1 in our escalation path is isolating variables that exist outside of your phone. Start by checking an independent server status monitor online. If the core financial servers are experiencing an outage, no local fix will work. You must wait for the system administrators to restore service. If the servers are operational, test your local environment by actively toggling between your Wi-Fi network and your mobile cellular data. Open a standard web browser to confirm data is actually loading. A weak or unstable signal causes the data packets required for a secure transaction to degrade or time out before they can reach the server. Similarly, if you have a virtual private network running in the background, disable it immediately. VPNs mask your location, which triggers automatic security blocks that masquerade as standard application loading errors. Verifying these external environmental factors first saves time and prevents you from making unnecessary, destructive alterations to your device settings. Now we move to the software level. Phase 2 forces your device and the application to abandon any hanging background processes and establish a clean session. Do not minimize the app. Open your device's multitasking view and swipe the application window entirely off your screen. This executes a true force close. Next, check your software version. Running an outdated version of the app creates a direct mismatch with current server protocols, leading predictably to payment failures. Navigate to your device's application marketplace and look specifically for an update trigger next to the app, rather than the standard open button. Tap it to install the latest protocols. Once updated, perform a complete physical power cycle. Turn your mobile hardware entirely off, wait 10 seconds, and boot it back up. Executing a forced closure, applying an application update, and forcing a hardware reboot systematically eliminates the temporary memory corruptions responsible for most interface crashes. If the application remains unresponsive, we advance to the final, most intrusive phase, addressing local storage bottlenecks and refreshing your encrypted account credentials. Operating your device near its maximum storage capacity physically chokes the application's ability to cache the temporary data it needs to run. Delete unused files to restore that operational headroom. This diagram maps the required navigation path for Android. Go to Settings, tap Apps, select the application, open Storage, and hit Clear Cache. You must be precise. Clearing cache removes temporary files. Pressing the adjacent Clear Data button erases your core application history. Before initiating the final reset, take a second to mentally verify your login password. Open the app and sign out of your account to manually sever your active session. Then sign back in. This forces the servers to generate a brand new security token for your device. If the interface still will not load properly, use the official support menu to bypass the automated systems and open a direct communication line with a human agent. If the application still fails after these steps, the issue likely resides within your specific account status rather than the local software or network. For the vast majority of cases, completing these steps restores the uninterrupted flow of your transactions, allowing funds to arrive exactly where intended. This animated sequence illustrates the complete escalation architecture. Verify the servers, check your network and VPN, reboot and update, clear local cache, and authenticate a fresh session. Following these steps in order allows you to quickly identify and solve common app issues, getting your payments back on track without unnecessary downtime.